Hi Scrappy friends, it's Kim back from Making Creative Memories in Time. Today I am sharing an organization and paper storage tip with you. So I love these little paper envelopes that come from Amazon, and I will link them down below. I'd already opened this batch and discarded like the manufacturer, but I will link these down below. I have referred to them like on my Facebook Lives, and I know I've shared the link with folks over there. But these are wonderful. There's not a pocket. They're frosted. They're sturdy enough, but not, they're pliable. They're wonderful. These would be great for putting page kits together to go on a crop. And they're also great for storing either scraps or paper collections, embellishments, you name it. These are perfect in your scrapbook room for any type of storage solution when it comes to paper. They would also even be a great way to store works in progress, or when pages are completed and they're waiting to go into their forever album. This would also be great for that too. You could tab them off by month, ever how you wanted to do them. They do fit in the Creative Memories Power Pods, so just wanted to let you know that. So I think there's 36 that come in what I just got from Amazon, and I wanted to show you how I use them to store my paper collections. So this is a paper collection that I had recently ordered that I did not have one of these envelopes for. This is the Elegant Moments. It's an advisor-only paper pack. And then these are the two advisor-only embellishments. So what I like to do is I take them out of these bags, the original bag that they come in. And I don't discard those bags. I usually find uses for them. You guys have seen me use them as like mats. And then I just stick my embellishments, because I like to keep collections together. I just drop my embellishments, stickers, mat cards, whatever in the back. And then I use some red line tape. This also comes from Amazon. I'll leave a link. You can get this at Hobby Lobby, Michael's. I just typically buy mine from Amazon. And then I just cut a section and run it right down the edge. Now, some people might want their paper, especially if you're doing cardstock, you might want this to go on your shelf like this so that you can pull your cardstock out and not have to remove the full paper envelope. I'm okay with pulling the full paper envelope out. And then these little sticky tabs I pick up at Walmart. And you can pick them up at Walmart, any big box office supply store. And this is Elegant Moments. So I'm just going to write on here the title of this paper. And then I'm down here. This is just for me, so I know that it was a 2024 collection. And then I go back to that sticky. Even though these are sticky, they do fall off. And I like the red line tape because it's going to be there. Like, you can literally pull it right off your shelf. So that's how I use these envelopes. Now, some people may not want their embellishments stored in there together because it may make the envelope thicker or fatter or whatever. That does not bother me personally. But this is a great, like I said, I've mentioned several different ways that you can use these paper envelopes, and they will be linked down below. And hopefully you enjoyed this little storage tip for paper in your scrapbook room. And here is a close-up look at how I store my paper. So this first, and I'm sorry for the wiggle, I'm holding my phone. This first section right here is all close to my heart papers. And then this section here is cardstock that is Creative Memories. And then all of this section is Creative Memories Designer Collections. And this sits on a custom cabinet built-in shelving unit that my husband made me. Now, little caveat, that is not on my paper at all. I also have this shelf, which is the very next shelf over from that one, that is all close to my heart. Designer collections, and that is tabbed off. I do not have individual tabs on envelopes for that, but rather tabbed off by theme. And hopefully this will work. This may have to go in as a photo, but this is also close to my heart, tabbed off by theme. That's it, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you're notified when I have new content, and let YouTube know that you are liking what I'm making for you guys. Until next time, happy scrapping.